Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Netflix account on your mobile device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, the method that I'm going to show you right now is going to be the exact same steps, either on your computer or your mobile device, since it's going to be on a browser. Now, if you or anyone you know wish to get Netflix for less than half the price, all you have to do is click on the first link in the description or on the pinned link in the comment section below. Once you do that, it will send you to this page where you can easily sign up right here and use any method you would like. It will take you less than 30 seconds. After that, in the home page, you can see Netflix right here, where you can select up to all these months for the premium subscription for 4K and no advertisements. Most importantly, click on have a promo code and apply code GUMMY, GUMY, to get 5% extra discount. So as you can see, this is the price right here. Here's a quick comparison if you bought the same plan directly from Netflix. 3 months for half the price of a single one from Netflix directly. And just like that. Basically, Gamsgo shares your subscription with others, like being in families with members around the world. That's how it's much cheaper. I've been using it for 3 years without any problem, and it's been a great way to save money and enjoy unlimited streaming.